Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl again, Blessing, aka Chifo. If you're a returning subscriber, we say thank you so much for your support towards this channel. And for our new subscribers, we say thank you so much. You guys are the real MVP. We really appreciate you girls. So in today's video, really, I will be reviewing product. This product has been really hyped, so I'm coming here to give you my honest review. So many people believe that okay, using facial bar soap is not the best thing to do, because some people believe that facial bar soap is very harsh on the face. I have done videos where I've talked about facial bar soap. You can check those videos. I've reviewed different facial bar soaps that you can use on your face, and you would not encounter any issue. And we have seen or heard testimonies of people using. I currently use a bar soap on my face, and it has really worked for me. So in today's video, I'll be reviewing the Salt 7 turmeric soap with honey extract. It is a good soap. I must say that, because I have some people who have used the soap. I particularly have not used it, but I have friends and I have colleagues who have used it, and they have testified to it that this soap works, and I have seen it firsthand how their skin have transformed from the way it was before they started using this soap to what it is currently. So let's look at the key ingredients in this soap. Now, the major key ingredients in this soap is the turmeric extract and salicylic acid. And then you have the turmeric, you have coconut oil, you have the turmeric extract, then you have titanium dioxide. So we're going to break down these ingredients with respect to the work each of them perform on the skin. So the very key ingredient there is the salicylic acid, and we know that salicylic acid, guys, is for those people who have acne or blemishes, or they have hyperpigmentation. If you're suffering from freckles, you're suffering from fine lines, then salicylic acid is there to help you cure those. If you have oily prone acne skin, then you need salicylic acid in your skincare ingredient. Then moving on to turmeric extract, guys, we know that turmeric is an antioxidant. It acts as an antioxidant, and at the same time it acts as an anti-inflammatory agent. So for somebody who has acne or inflamed acne, turmeric extract will help calm or relieve you of those inflammations. It will also act as an antiseptic, because it has antibacterial or antimicrobial potency. So it's going to help fight all those things. So we can categorically say that turmeric is acting as an antioxidant, and at the same time it is acting as an antiseptic. So that is what turmeric extract will do for it, to also calm those inflammation. Then it also has titanium dioxide. Titanium dioxide, we know, is a mineral sunscreen. So the good thing about this soap is that it has SPF in it, so it will help for you that don't like putting on your SPF or sunscreen. This soap has titanium dioxide, which is a mineral sunscreen. So it's also claimed to have honey extract. What honey does is that honey also acts as an antioxidant and also an anti-inflammatory agent. So these are the key ingredients. Then coconut oil, we know that is a good oil that will help to give you this supple look. Now let's see what the manufacturer claims this soap would do for you. This soap would smoothen your face. It will give you soft and radiant skin. It will eliminate every dead skin cell, which I agree with because of the antioxidant and the salicylic acid. Salicylic acid acts as an exfoliant, so it's going to exfoliate all those hyperpigmentation and your dead skin cells. And it would help you cure acne. Yes, I agree. It will also clear blemishes, dark scar marks, freckles if you have freckles, and it will also help nourish your skin and moisturize it and prevent dryness, leaving your skin radiant. They say you see noticeable result in 7 days. Guys, I agree with everything this manufacturer is saying, because really salicylic acid would exfoliate and also cure all your acne and blemishes and hyperpigmentation, and all other ingredients that are embedded in this that was used to formulate this product targets issues like that. So how do you use it? You massage it into your body and rinse it off at least twice a day. So for me, I would say this soap, use it only at night. Although the manufacturer is saying you can use it twice a day, I don't advise if you've watched my previous videos, I don't advise that you use bar soaps in the morning. Preferably you use your bar soap at night. So you can use it and rinse off. Don't put it on your face and leave it for 5-10 minutes. This soap is a bit strong because of the ingredients that was used to formulate it. So I would just advise that you just use it as a normal wash off soap and just rinse off thoroughly immediately. Don't do all these things that I see most people do. They apply soap and then go around doing other things. my dear, that is not what will make that acne go in 5 days or 6 days or 7 days. You end up worsening the situation of your skin. So just use it and rinse off. That little minute or second that you apply and cleanse your face is enough to do the work. You don't have to leave it for minutes or hours for it to penetrate into your skin before it will do work. So always rinse off immediately. So guys, so this soap, I must say, is a good soap. It currently retails between 3,500 to 4,000 naira, depending on where you're buying it from. And so I would say, if you want to use this soap, use it with a good moisturizer. The soap has its own, this salt 7 also has its oil. The oil is also a good oil. I'm going to do a review about the oil in another video. I would say, if you're using this soap, pair it up with the oil and a good moisturizer. You can get good moisturizers like CeraVe, Cetaphil. You can get good moisturizer like the Neutrogena Hydro Boost, which has a lot of hyaluronic acid. You can get good facial moisturizers like Face Fat Ceramide Moisturizer. I've done a video on that. You can look at that as well. There are other beautiful facial moisturizers that you can use. I have a video where I talked extensively about face moisturizers you can use. You can also look at that video. I'll drop all the links in the description of this video. Now, finally, I will say, if you're using the soap, in as much as there's titanium dioxide, which is the SPF in this soap, you know you're washing it off, so it's not staying on your face. I would advise that you always use a sunscreen. Use a sunscreen when using this soap. Generally, for me, I'm going to rate this soap an 8/10. Yes, because the soap really does the job. I have seen people who start using this soap, they had a lot of hyperpigmentation, patches of dark scars everywhere, and when they start using the soap, it started exfoliating them. Now, this people claim that this you start seeing visible results in 7 days. It's not always the case. It depends on your skin type. Some people might see results in 7 days, but really, to be honest, for every product, for you to start to claim that you start seeing positive results, you should at least use it for at least 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks. That is when you will start seeing visible results. And another thing with this soap is that it will brighten your skin, and if you use it for like 6 months, you start seeing that your skin starts to glow. You can even get up to a shade or two by just using this soap and pairing it with a good moisturizer. This is not a bleaching soap, guys. People believe that this soap is a bleaching soap. It's not a bleaching soap. The reason why you would think it's a bleaching soap is because by the time it clears your hyperpigmentation, if you're suffering from hyperpigmentation or sunburn or wrinkles or you have freckles, then you will think it has bleached you, but really it has not bleached you. It has only helped to remove that dead layer, that layer that was already that had defects. So by the time it takes off that layer, it will reveal your true skin color, and you will tend to see that that place is brighter and glowing and radiant, and you can get a shade or two. And I tell you, by using this soap, your skin would be supple, like well nourished and supple, because the soap itself is a hydrating soap. So guys, if you want to get the soap, I'll say go for it. It's not a bad soap, it's a good soap, and it will really glow your skin. But don't use it every day. Get another form of another form of facial cleanser like the Cetaphil facial cleanser, or the Face Fat Ceramide facial cleanser that you can pair or mix with this, such that you're not using it every day. So use it at least 3 to 4 times in a week. Then good moisturizer immediately you come out of the shower. Make sure your face is still wet by the time you come out to apply your moisturizer, because bad soaps can be drying at times, although this one is not like that. But I would still advise you allow your face to be a bit moist when you are applying your moisturizer. So guys, if you have used this soap, please tell us in the comment section, how has your experience been? Was this soap really helpful? Did it take out those blemishes, those scars? Did it work on your acne? Did it get rid of them? Just drop us a comment on the comment section and tell us how your experience was. And also, if you like me to review any other soap, please drop the name of the soap in the comment section. I'm going to pick it up and bring a review for you on that. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Please like, comment, and share this video, guys. As you do that, it sends a notification to YouTube that this video has been helpful. Give us a thumbs up, guys. Just give us a thumbs up. And until I come your way next time, it's still your girl G4. Bye.